And here we go with vacation tip number 188, how to properly fill out your bag tag for both your carry-on and checked luggage. Carriers handled almost 393 million bags in 2021. That's according to the Bureau of Transportation Statistics. They lost over 2 million bags, which is about 0.51% of all checked bags. Think of it this way. Out of every 1,000 checked bags the airline handles, they mishandle 7. That's right, 7. So most likely your bag is going to arrive with you at your destination, but it's important to take the necessary precautions should that bag get mishandled. First of all, get yourself a sturdy luggage tag. Hey, I like this one. Now from here, you've got a couple of options. If you don't want to buy a bag tag, then some airlines offer complimentary ones at the ticket counter. I like this one because it's got a slot in the back, it's lightweight, and it's easy to spot at baggage claim. Now, I use one of my business cards and just slip it in the slot provided. I do this because my card doesn't contain my home address or my personal mobile number. If your business card does have personal information on it, such as your home address or your personal mobile number, then I would simply fill out the card this way. Use your first initial, your last name, your country of residency, and your work phone number, or your email address. Now, if you don't have a work phone number, then your mobile will suffice. But do not ever include your home address or your first and last name if at all possible. Now, before placing it on your bag, remember to conceal this information from prying eyes. In addition, make sure the same information is placed inside both your checked and carry-on luggage. Apply the strap to the tag. And the tag to your luggage. And there you go. That's vacation tip number 188. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this particular video. Thanks for watching.